Hi you guys, it's Lizzy and you're watching Lizzy's TV. And today we're gonna do unboxing. This is my jewelry haul from Temu.com. And I'm sure you all know who that is by now. It is a website that sells quality merchandise from the top world suppliers, which most of those suppliers you've already seen online. So, I got jewelry here, and here we go. Let's see what we got. And most of this jewelry is probably, I think the most I paid for it might be $2. So it's all costume jewelry, but it's pretty and it's good for me to wear every day. So this first necklace I have, I've ordered them. I don't even remember what they are, but let's see what we can find out. Let's see if I can get this one out. All right. So, uh-oh, we got a knot. Oh, no knots. No. Oh, guys, we got a knot in this one. Oh, let's see if I can get it out without messing it up. Ugh. But it's a rose. I'll deal with the knot later. It is a rose. It is a rose. It's pretty, and I like it. That's real cute. Uh-oh. Did you did you guys see that? That's a nice rose. It's a rose. Is that a rose? I think this was supposed to be the rose. I think. I'm not mistaken. Then we got, there's another necklace we've got. This is really cute too. It's a little thick, but this is a choker. And it's got a little pearl in it. It's like a little pearl. It has a chain necklace. The necklace is chain. So that's cute, nice and thick, because I like thick jewelry, like these. I wish I could find some more of these. So if you guys, anybody know where I can find jewelry made like this, please let me know. But this is cute. Now let's see if I got any more. Oh, here we go. Paid like $3.29 for this one. This is, you gotta put it together. You gotta put the charm on the necklace. All right. So it's also, this is the necklace. And I thought this was cute because it's the DNA necklace. So let me see if I can get it on here and I can show it to you guys. All right, looks like we did it. All right, there we go. So this is the DNA necklace. You see that? That's real pretty. That's nice. Silver color. Cool to wear. Got like a beaded chain to it. It's really cool. I like that. And let's see what else we got here. I paid 22 cents for this one. Golden color. Butterflies. All butterflies because I love butterflies. And this one here, I think this is also a choker. Okay, so this is the butterfly necklace. And it's really pretty. Got butterflies. This is also a choker, but it looks real small. So just be careful when you purchase stuff. But like I said, I think this was like 22 cents. All right, so this next one I have, this one cost me 98 cents, I believe. It also has a butterfly, because I like butterflies. This is cute. Wide chain necklace. Couple of pearls on it. It's got butterflies, hearts. That's cute. I like that. And it's silver color. Got angel wings on it as well. Okay. And then we have this set. It's a set. This one costs 98 cents as well. So we got the necklace here. And this is the necklace. Uh-oh. It's a 3-piece. It comes with the necklace, earrings, and a ring. So that's pretty. That's a 3-piece set there. So that's the necklace to that. And then we have the ring. That's the ring. It's pretty. Which finger it fit on, I don't know, because I got fat fingers. So it definitely ain't going on that one. There we go. It ain't going on my baby finger. You know, if I decide to wear the ring. And then we also have earrings to go with it. The earrings come with 2 plastic backings for it. So these are cute. So at least you have a set. You can wear the earring, necklace, and a ring if you want. Those are beautiful. It's pretty. So I like that. I like all the jewelry so far. I got another pair of earrings. These are cute. They're box style. Box style earrings shaped into like a little cube. Those are cute. Uh-oh, dropped one. You got the hook. And for these, I still like to put backings on because sometimes they slide out your ear. So I have my own little plastic backings that I would use for those. This one is out of the ordinary. This is not a necklace or anything like that. I paid 99 cents for it. This is literally a keychain. It's a Scorpio keychain. Scorpion is inside of it. Looks like a moody type of thing. But I'm a Scorpio, so I liked it and I bought it. And plus it's blue, my favorite color. So, but it's cute. I like that. You can see the scorpion in there. It's cute. That's cute. Cute, 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 cute. So let's see. What else we got? I still got more, y'all. I got more. I got some more stuff. A whole bunch of stuff. Well, not a whole bunch, but I got quite a bit. So this one is also a 3-piece set. But I didn't know these earrings on this one. I guess, you know, you got to read a little bit more sometimes. The earrings are clip-ons. They're pierced, but they have, no, I'm sorry. They are pierced, but they have a clip-on back. And this one is, I have to fix it, but this one is a little crooked here. So actually, you could wear all 3 of these pieces if you like. Because this is a 3-piece set as well. You got your earrings, your ring, and your necklace. So that's kind of cool. Don't look at my nails, y'all, because I need a manicure bag, okay? Just look at the jewelry. Just look at the jewelry. This is earrings too. And I bought 2 sets of these. And I bought another type similar to these. And I'll tell you why in a minute. So, we have 2 sets of these. They come like this. You have the crescent moon, and I guess that would be the sun or a star. So I bought 2 sets of these because if I want to wear them, I can wear them both, have 2 of the same, like this. So, if I can get it up here, right? And then I can wear both of these, like this. But then I saw these, and I'm like, oh, those are cute, too. These are earrings as well. And they also have 2 different types to this one. You have this one, and you have that one. So you have one with the moon, one with the sun. You got a star here, star over here. You got a square top here. I don't know exactly what those are, but that's cool. So I bought 2 of those. And that way, I'll have a set of each one. I can wear these 2 together, or I can wear these 2 together and have a set. But what I decided to do, and one of my reasons for buying double pieces, not only to wear them both for a set, but I'm going to take these charms off of each one of these, and I'm going to make me a junk jewelry necklace. That was the purpose. And I'm going to use a chain necklace for it. Chain style necklace. Whatever. That's the plan. That might be a DIY. Don't know yet. Okay, so overall, I'm happy with all of the products from Temu. Temu is the name. So I'm happy with everything that I got. And I'm going to end this unboxing. I will put the link down in the description. And hopefully I can find something that's good where if you guys order from it, you'll get a discount with some free shipping. So that's what we're going to do. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.